Hi there, I'm Shelley, Steps Behind the Camera.
Right.
And last time you saw us take this cupboard and turn the top bit into a dressing table. If you haven't seen that video, then take a look at it. And this time we're going to take the bottom bit of this cupboard and turn it into a bench. We're now going to saw the bench down to size. We're going to have a sitting height of about 48 centimetres, including the foam that's going on here. So we're going to saw down the bench first. Once we've done that, we're going to cut out the legs because we'd like a certain shape on the legs. When that's done, we're going to remove the paint and take off the wallpaper, and I hope you like the frog concert. Paint and the wallpaper has been removed, and now we're going to take a teak stain and going to rub it in all over the bench. We've taken an 8mm plywood, cut it down to size. We're now going to drill 2 holes, 8mm holes, so that then we can use these driving nuts that we're going to screw into place, and I'm just going to show you these driving nuts. Then I'm going to take a 4cm foam and a 1cm padding with the fabric that I'm going to put on top, and we're going to staple that all into position, so then we've got a nice upholstered piece of furniture. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' times. Bye bye.